And then there's some time no.
Who got time?
Me kind.
But it's the same stories. I'd rather not.
So sometimes there's a menka.
Aye.
And then maka.
Say so we both together the last time.
There are na ye.
Ivona. Oh, Renfa. Minim baby amukunya yini free. Enfa.
The two giant teams are more Spain. Omuna Efrim. Barcelona and Real Madrid.
Barcelona the Champions League say onye giant.
No, me can't as in
so
Spain. Of Spain yeah.
Can I make say but in the Champions League Barcelona no giants.
Okay.
In the last decade on winning it.
Sure.
In fact, he ran a season my Kekako almost 12 years on winning it. On Man United on our level, Man United almost 18 years more winning Champions League.
And this will be seems saying.
Part but side level Champions League for Tete for unim enrana Ibiza Princeton. Princeton did 22, 23, 20, Aqua Princeton 24.
Okay.
Ote 11, 12 different years. The time Barcelona winning last one.
No,
not number 12 years. GSS 2.
One should agree, Papa.
A small boy. So the Princeton did 26 cry. So I time no number 15, 14 years.
Okay.
There's a
Champions League at
it's imagine Manchester United near if you were the 26. Who be that? A mass of 1 penny for now. Omo no munim the year Champions League feeling.
As do mo.
Business do senior man.
As do there. Ono no on such a popro num the season.
As you go 50.
So we such a popro.
It's
no kind news or GBC.
Such a popro what thing?
Aye.
Make I know.
Papa class would you know. As do age meeting no.
So you can imagine.
Almost an there.
Omo munim. Barcelona story there. Ebeba. It will take. See that right now. Baby Barcelona Genesis Yano. Okay. They have to extend the contract of Hansi. Who extend the contracts now? Then the project continues. Mm-hmm. And I hear that only very close, probably for 2 more years. Maybe at the end of the second year, they'll be very close, or probably would have won the Champions League already. But they have the quality. Madrid saw a peculiar problem, and we've seen it over the last few years. Only the last time at Madrid, winning Champions League, back to back, something that nobody has done in the Champions League before, the three-peat, Mm-hmm. Before Madrid, nobody had won the Champions League back to back. And back to back 3 times. Every season, or most of the seasons, out of the 15 times at Madrid, AJ Champions League, they don't necessarily perform well at home. And by force, Madrid will be winning the La Liga and win that. Out of the three-peat, it was only one season, almost G League, Champions League, 2024. What's the name? It was only one season. And Omoje won the league and then also win the Champions League. So, when I look at the Madrid team, I think that after that time, Cruz Moko, Modric Moko, it was time for them to properly rebuild the club. And it's something that I think Florentino Perez has overlooked Kaka. You remember
maybe I know Mufu said Danny Ceballos with me a after Tony Cruz. Ceballos I think or shall say no ABB. And somewhere along the line, Prebi be boom as a corner about Fede.
Which who's a seven worker. The problem with Danny Ceballos and yet the ability. You're more born than he beats me about. Bema 6, Bema 8, Bema box to box, Bema attacking 8. He can give you all of that. The problem is availability. And it's only available. Your ability is not there. You can't do the job. And that has always been the problem of Danny Ceballos. And that is how the club has gotten to where they've gotten to now. Yeah, with respect to Nhyira game in itself. One of the reasons why I was very coy, say a better thing for Madrid to turn the game around was 2 reasons. Which Mijini say, Adiabakwama Madrid a special club is that se only boy, especially the Santiago Bernabeu. Na upe uchesi game na. Maybe have a take an outside. You want control. A title city pa. Thomas Tuchel also call ne bia wa tono. Once what say, upe control you won't get. The big boys of the Champions League. Se ukobo second leg on fee. Na upe controller, you most likely don't get it. Because Getting control means that you are looking for perfection. The quest for perfection makes you leave mistakes behind. Anything. And Madrid were close.
Very, very close.
Maybe this is why people call this the El Clasico of the Champions League. So Madrid and Bayern ever. It is end to end. I had not sat down. And I mean, who say Ada Gula Bonakuto 35 seconds.
You got the near doom light.
No only light.
Aye.
Me na me do fear. Me it's na commentator ne say. In fact, I was listening to Dela. Into Dela commentary on Live FM. I'm saying, you see Ada Gula ashe. And I'm saying, no. I'll really take my shower. Let me sit down and go and watch the game. In watching the game 35 seconds. I said, no. Immediately the goal has come this early. Something else will happen. Then that corner kick from this man, Joshua Kimmich, and of course Pavlovic heading home.
Luna no heading.
And both goalkeepers now were cooperating setting goals.
One no man yeah. Luna and the crowd.
Both goalkeepers were cooperating setting goals. Now, even the second goal that Ada Gula scored. The free kick.
Yeah, the free kick, yeah.
Manoya looked complacent. I say the position was so bad. I say he trusted the wall too much. How? Then the counter attack.
Calculating the steps now.
Yeah. Now Mbappe I third goal. I think the idea about quoi. Now Ebema game now even extra difficult was the fact that which we tend to focus too much on Bayern weaknesses which on the defense. But the attack is so sharp. Look at the number of goals and assists that Luis Diaz has this season. Look at Harry Kane. Look at Michael Olise. Joints the whole of Europe.
But Harry Kane,
yeah.
I don't know go chesa.
Good.
I don't go no chesa. As a penalty.
Yeah. What perfect craft no. Bono or you center back no. And or use the body. So because there's a center back in front of him, or be anybody him, the goalkeeper knows that okay. Center back now blocking the view. Goes to the last ball. Goalkeeper than Chen.
The best striker in the world is this guy Harry Kane.
He's a Jeffrey Haaland himself.
Hey, Branch didn't go show.
He was brilliant.
I'm not saying me when I'm it's an England party. I go Bobby.
Maybe I center back say Adeche Rudy.
Okay, be drew.
Anna. Say Jikune Salisu there.
Jiku Salisu
versus Rudiger and Militao. I'm on Ben Militao there.
Militao. With Militao in Bobo.
Yeah, he's a good centre back. Very good centre back.
Jiku Salisu.
Yeah.
With him go fast a moment. So, why?
But
we'll be any delay.
Yeah. And really, one other thing that made the game very interesting was the fact that Sena Madrid GD said, Obetimi has 2 goals, 3 goals. Obetimi has 1. No at any time now. Rich, you are not going to doubt Harry Kane. Won't mean doubting Lucho. Won't mean doubting Michael Olise to give you the goals that they can go on and go and give you. So they could also go on and do their job. I don't know if the red card turned the game, but before the red card, it was a game. No momentum, no swing it. I come at red side, never buying side. In the first half, it was more or less like basketball. Then in the second half, teams began to get their moments. But one of the things I realized was that in and around before time and I come the second yellow card, momentum was beginning to switch to Bayern. We were beginning to constantly pin them back because now Madrid means the game can go to extra time and they'll get more time to play. I have a big problem with the second yellow card. I think it was so soft. You see, I
know no moment I'm one team.
Oh, you see, also my video until I would have showed you the video. Okitabono. Maybe it was time wasting, fine. But he just dropped the ball. The difference from, say, player, anybody not form, and I say, what two ball not training.
Yeah, established this fact.
Yeah.
Time wasting, say a yellow card offense.
Yeah, it is.
So, say, there really watch the dance also wasting time. Yeah. Who play on a park?
Yeah.
So, wasting time is yellow card offense.
Yeah.
Already, a yellow card, dada.
Yeah.
It's at that point, and you don't do these things.
I can agree with what you're saying. Anything that make us say, yellow card. I say it is the softest
yellow
card I have seen. Because you make mention the point, say, it is the referee's decision. Referee never goes, oh, we're intentional. We're intentional. So I think that referee Zlatko Vincic at the time felt that, oh, Charlie, I say too intentional. I thought it was a little bit soft and too harsh on our Brent friend Eduardo Camavinga there. I would have gone the Clement Turpin the enemy. Who was the Clement Turpin Barcelona versus Atletico? He kept his yellow cards in his pocket. Until when he had to go for a red card, that's what he went for. I probably would have done that if I were the referee now. I thought it was soft. But then after that, this man, Luis Diaz, what a strike. What a strike. And on a night, buying players, no, top 3, no, be a training Bob. He stood up again, scored an excellent goal from the outside of the box to make it on aggregate equalizer. And of course, after that, I brought here friend Michael Olise, this guy. Charlie, you don't need maybe. Chelsea tear the release clause of Michael Olise. You could trigger. After the year, you see your wage bill be the end. Michael Olise is kind of broso. And I'll call Bayern. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Look at where you pick the ball from.
No, on a lami amount.
Yeah.
I'm a born a simple be. As a born no born as Obia, you know, Mona as a man the born here do. Tight spaces. They are branching the born no like super. And
me sure say
it's a special talent.
Football fans bet here saying Inter players, football players, big clubs. Olise was playing this ball at Crystal Palace.
Yeah. Oh no, Papa.
Yes.
By Crystal Palace.
Exactly.
I'm from Crystal Palace there. Papa Bayern no.
Yeah, who supported club be no onye ni o me say Enzo Fernandez Di Madrid for China. He knows that once he goes there, it elevates him. And it is Bayern that has elevated him. Yeah. Okwe will be on a big night with Real Madrid. You don't need any other marketing. Marketing that we hear all the eyeballs in the world are watching you. And then now he delivered on the world stage, quality display. Bayern for have been good, and then they've gone through to the semi-final of the Champions League. It will be a far ball the free.
Yeah, be fun next season.
And then the Keller United.
Oh no, a ball game we are.
Obe free Bayern about United.
And I'm place he call.
Echo wow.
I call England. When the board no the management you didn't come on. Yes, it's Kabia Bayern for the PBR we pay. You take this boss. Because Yami Adman next season Champions League na yebe bono. Yempema trauma kwa bia. We want to win the Champions League.
It's the same way. What Zlatko Vincic did, no. Joseph Stanisic, or the player for Bayern, say, I don't think the referee knew he had given Camavinga a yellow card already.
Okay.
I think that's Madrid.
And say be okay, Abraham, you need yellow card.
Yeah.
So now I only so man yellow card.
It was too harsh, honestly. At that point, we say, oh no. This is probably a little bit too harsh for Abraham here. Your friend Eduardo Camavinga, and of course he led the team now. Rich, I just want to quickly touch on this man, Vincent Kompany. Me and we've criticized him, so we have to do the job of today, probably giving him his flowers. Or call relegation. And now, in an interview, or say, Memo BM believe hype no Nhyira. Now 2 seasons ago, or the Burnley relegation 20 points. Now he's been talked about, and now he's one of the best coaches in the world, as people say. Rich, again, like the way you do boy here, you far about whom every boy brano. The Vincent Kompany story should inspire every young person. Uji who decide you're running me, but you hit roadblock, you had a blip. Don't let it demotivate you. Keep going. Koso na koso. And many baba. Ni person who nyari, when you be a mistake as nipa. You compare your own with comfort several times. I've said it that me in my life. My biggest principle is that I don't compare myself with a question of Kwabena. And no me di wachi, no fufu na me pedi. And then many fufu they have progressed. You can be eating seafood, whatever, and you know na meche. And the story of Vincent Kompany obviously should inspire all of us as we go through the daily lives. And now he has given Bayern almost semi-final after say Hansi Flick even his access to Pono at the moment. No, that's exactly what a Bayern friend Vincent Kompany has been able to do. What's the way forward for Madrid?
Probably be on moving on. Abaloa. On call for a different coach.
Is it
the Madrid I know there? Because it seemed almost roughless.
Is it time for Florentino Perez to change his ways, Kakana?
So saying, you can say Galactico way now. Not
just the Galactico way, but at least so when your coach, Munyan to Wasega Kraman, like maybe Xabi Alonso, to also build a system for the Galacticos.
Yeah, I heard them know again. I'm almost for Xabi Alonso.
Yeah, and probably also replace Cruz and Modric proper or Fiifi on them.
Yeah.
Madrid will be say between Mbappe and Vinicius Junior, one of them has to go.
Why no?
Vini and Mbappe, I said Bakoko.
I didn't.
All of them play from the left. Jude Bellingham in the Premier press conference. So idea about how Madrid Kakano is that Mbappe and Vini all play from the left. The big question is that okay. And I won't all of them have to stay and find a coach who beat me at Jumana Momo.
Onya coach who beat me accommodate you more pitch as well.
Markets and why now would Enzo Maresca TV.
I Madrid man.
What do you mean?
Oh, I know you. Wait me back. Some Madrid in so penal. And then say another issue altogether.
Madrid for example, ideally it was Jurgen Klopp.
Okay.
And ideally probably at Madrid it could have been.
Now did the shop the so I was saying.
Wait, me DJ the shop them who know about DJ the shop. Come go first Zidane. On party Zidane chola.
Is it Zidane no friend not that you know.
Which are going call for that team and say 0-0 but they've gone through. And for me that's the most important thing. Arsenal for now as a club to go to back semi-finals is huge for them. Congratulations to Mikel Arteta and then Emranti, because it's been a very, very long time. In the 05-06 season, any 08-09 Arsenal, it wasn't back to back. This time, 24-25, 25-26, Arsenal have managed to do that with, of course, a very solid stake. And then Europa League games last week in the Europa League, we need 4 solid quotes to Michelle. We are going back to winning quotes again in our Europa League in 90. I remember for just few quotes. No more fan coffee can see which my first code a BW 4E77 CDD BW 4E77 FCDD. Second one a BW 4E77 3289. Third one a BW 4E76 D5 B3. Fourth one a BW 4E7672 DB. So there's one more code. Oko Fiifi man for the non social media handles. Osabeka. Rich, me that's it.
Kofi, minimum for and so at that say.